I will never complain about avocado toast again after learning this shocking fact about millennial finances. Why are millennials financially stuck, you ask? Let's dive in. First, the student debt monster, it's gobbling up paychecks faster than you can say graduation. Then there's the housing market, where buying a house feels like hunting for unicorns. But wait, there's more. Stagnant wages and the oh-so-glamorous gig economy make stable income a pipe dream. And don't forget the rising cost of living that's turning adulting into a financial obstacle course. All this stress isn't just numbers on a spreadsheet, it's taking a toll on mental health too. Anxiety, depression, and burnout are becoming the norm. So why are we facing these challenges? It's a mix of economic shifts, policy gaps, and just plain bad luck. But hey, awareness is the first step to change. Got your own financial horror stories? Drop them in the comments and hit subscribe for more on how to navigate this financial maze. Millennials are navigating through a storm of economic challenges that seem to have no end in sight. Let's break down these hurdles one by one. First up, student debt. Imagine graduating with a degree and a mountain of debt that feels impossible to climb. The average millennial carries tens of thousands of dollars in student loans, turning what should be a fresh start into a financial nightmare. This debt isn't just a number, it's a shadow that follows them everywhere, affecting every financial decision they make. Next, the housing market. For many millennials, owning a home is a distant dream. Sky-high prices, bidding wars, and stringent mortgage requirements are just a few of the barriers. Renting isn't much better, with rent prices soaring and wages failing to keep pace. The idea of settling down feels like a fairy tale when you're constantly moving from one overpriced rental to another. Now let's talk about the job market. Unstable gig work, short-term contracts, and the lack of benefits are the new normal. Job security, that's a luxury most millennials can't afford. And even those with stable jobs often find themselves overworked and underpaid, struggling to make ends meet. But it's not just about the money. The constant financial stress is wreaking havoc on mental health. Anxiety, depression, and burnout are alarmingly common, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. So what's the root cause of these challenges? It's a complex mix of economic shifts, policy failures, and yes, a bit of bad luck. But understanding these issues is the first step towards finding solutions. If this resonates with you, you're not alone. Share your experiences in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe. Together, we can navigate this financial storm and find a way to calmer waters. As we continue to navigate the millennial financial crisis, we must also address another crucial aspect of modern life, the impact of social media and technology on mental health and social interactions. In an age where connectivity is at our fingertips, millennials are paradoxically feeling more isolated than ever. Social media platforms designed to bring us closer often serve as a double-edged sword. On one hand, they offer a sense of community and a space to share experiences. But on the other, they can amplify feelings of inadequacy and loneliness. Endless scrolling through highlight reels of others' seemingly perfect lives can lead to comparison and self-doubt. It's easy to forget that social media often showcases the best moments, not the struggles and hardships that everyone faces. This constant comparison can be toxic, contributing to anxiety and depression. Moreover, the digital age has transformed the way we interact. Face-to-face conversations are increasingly replaced by text messages and emojis. While technology allows us to stay connected across distances, it can also create a barrier to deep, meaningful connections. The nuances of human interaction, tone, body language, eye contact are often lost in digital communication. The pressure to maintain an online persona can be overwhelming. The need to be constantly available and responsive can lead to burnout and a sense of never truly disconnecting. This always-on culture blurs the boundaries between work and personal life, further exacerbating stress and mental fatigue. But it's not all doom and gloom. Awareness is the first step towards change. By acknowledging the impact of social media and technology on our mental health, we can begin to set healthier boundaries. It's crucial to take breaks from screens, engage in offline activities, and cultivate real-world relationships. Let's use technology mindfully, leveraging its benefits without falling prey to its pitfalls. If you felt the weight of social media on your mental health, know that you're not alone. Share your thoughts and coping strategies in the comments below. Together, we can create a more balanced and fulfilling digital life. And remember, hit subscribe to join our community on this journey. As we delve deeper into the millennial experience, it's essential to understand the differences in values and priorities that set this generation apart from those that came before. Millennials born between 1981 and 1996 have grown up in a world vastly different from that of their parents and grandparents. The rapid technological advancements, economic shifts, and societal changes have shaped their outlook on life in unique ways. Unlike previous generations who often valued job stability and long-term employment, millennials tend to prioritize flexibility and work-life balance. The traditional 9-to-5 job model is increasingly being replaced by freelancing, remote work, and gig economy opportunities. This shift reflects a desire for more autonomy and the ability to pursue passions outside of work. Financial priorities have also evolved. While older generations might have focused on home ownership and accumulating wealth, millennials are more likely to invest in experiences. Travel, personal development, and wellness are often placed above material possessions. This experiential focus is partly driven by the economic challenges millennials face, such as student loan debt and rising living costs, which make traditional milestones like buying a home less attainable. Additionally, values around social issues have seen a significant shift. Millennials are generally more progressive and socially conscious, advocating for diversity, inclusion, and environmental sustainability. They are more likely to support businesses and brands that align with their values, even if it means spending more. This generation's emphasis on social responsibility reflects a broader awareness of global issues and a commitment to making a positive impact. The way millennials approach relationships also differs. There is a stronger emphasis on equality and partnership, with many seeking to balance career aspirations with family life. Unlike the more traditional gender roles embraced by previous generations, millennials often strive for a more egalitarian approach to household responsibilities and parenting. However, these shifts in values and priorities are not without their challenges. The pressure to maintain a fulfilling and balanced life can be overwhelming, leading to stress and burnout. The constant pursuit of experiences and personal growth sometimes comes at the expense of financial security and long-term planning. Understanding these generational differences is crucial for fostering empathy and collaboration between millennials and older generations. By recognizing the unique challenges and aspirations of each group, we can work towards a more inclusive and supportive society. If you relate to these generational shifts or have insights to share, leave a comment below. Your experiences and perspectives are valuable in shaping our collective understanding. Don't forget to subscribe for more content exploring the millennial journey. As we've explored the unique challenges millennials face, it's important to also shine a light on the success stories and strategies that this resilient generation is employing to overcome these obstacles. Despite the economic hurdles and societal pressures, many millennials are finding innovative ways to thrive and make a positive impact. One significant trend is the rise of entrepreneurship among millennials. With access to digital tools and global networks, many are starting their own businesses and side hustles. This entrepreneurial spirit not only provides financial independence but also allows millennials to pursue their passions and create value on their own terms. Take the story of Sarah, a millennial who turned her love for sustainable fashion into a thriving online store, promoting eco-friendly products and supporting ethical brands. Another strategy millennials are leveraging is the power of community and collaboration. Platforms like crowdfunding and social media have enabled them to gather support for their projects and causes. For instance, Mark launched a community garden initiative in his urban neighborhood, bringing people together to grow their own food and promote sustainability. And his project, funded through a successful crowdfunding campaign, has not only improved local food security but also strengthened community bonds. Furthermore, millennials are prioritizing mental health and wellness like never before. They are more open to seeking therapy, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in self-care routines to combat stress and burnout. Yoga and meditation apps, fitness communities, and wellness retreats have become integral parts of their lives. Emily's story is a testament to this shift. After experiencing severe burnout, she founded a wellness blog that offers resources and support for others facing similar struggles. Her platform has grown into a thriving community, empowering countless individuals to take charge of their mental health. Millennials are also redefining success by valuing work-life balance and meaningful experiences over traditional markers of achievement. Remote work and the gig economy have provided the flexibility to travel, explore new cultures, and invest in personal growth. Jake, a freelance graphic designer, shares his journey of working from different countries, gaining diverse experiences, and building a fulfilling career on his own terms. Moreover, millennials are making a significant impact through social activism and advocacy. They are using their voices to champion causes such as climate change, social justice, and equality. Through social media campaigns, grassroots movements, and nonprofit organizations, they are driving change at both local and global levels. The story of Maya, who organized a successful campaign to reduce plastic waste in her city, highlights the power of millennial activism. These success stories and strategies demonstrate that millennials are not just surviving but thriving in the face of challenges. By embracing innovation, community, wellness, and activism, they are carving out a path that reflects their values and aspirations. Share your own success stories or strategies in the comments below. Let's celebrate the resilience and creativity of this remarkable generation. And remember to subscribe for more inspiring content on the millennial journey.